Hello everyone, happy November. I can't believe it's here already. And what better way to get into the fall spirit than with some pumpkin whoopie pies? You could also call them hooray pies, yay pies, eureka pies, huzzah pies, etc. All you need to know is they're delicious. Let's begin. To start off with, we're going to want at least one or two baking sheets with a fancy pants baking mat or parchment paper on them, and we'll preheat our oven to 350. We're going to start off in one bowl with our dry ingredients. We have 3 cups of flour, a teaspoon of salt, a teaspoon of baking soda, a teaspoon of baking powder, and 2.5 tablespoons pumpkin pie spice. Very important. And then in another bowl we have 1 cup brown sugar, 1 cup regular sugar, and 1 cup vegetable oil. Looks delicious. Then we're going to add 3 cups chilled pumpkin puree and 2 eggs, one at a time, incorporating it well. 1 teaspoon vanilla. And then we're going to add our dry mixture to our wet mixture, a little bit at a time. Get it nice and incorporated. One thing you might want to do, because this is a very wet batter, is to refrigerate it for about an hour. Because after that, we're going to scoop it out. I'm using my cookie scoop here. It's absolutely amazing. Kind of a big tablespoon or so. And the cookies don't spread out too much, so you can get them fairly close together, but still, give them plenty of room. And they're going to go into the oven, once again, 350 degrees for about 12 minutes. You can use the toothpick trick to see if they're done. Okay, now it's time to make the frosting, and I really screwed up here, so don't do what I did. What you're going to want to do is start off with a stick of butter, cream that individually. Cream it up a bit, then you add 1 stick, 8 ounces of cream cheese, 3 tablespoons maple syrup, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, and then up to 3 cups powdered sugar. You're going to want a nice thick consistency, no lumps, make sure everything is at room temperature. Okay, here we are about 12 minutes later. Cookies are coming out of the oven. They're looking good. A toothpick in the center came out clean, and we're going to go ahead and let them cool on the rack for a little bit. Then here I am. I'm putting my frosting into a big quart-sized Ziploc, and I'm going to cut off the very tip. And once these cookies are room temperature, not hot, we're going to go ahead and pipe some frosting onto them. And like I said, because I screwed up my frosting, it came out a little gooey. What a bummer, but they still tasted delicious. So doing a nice messy job here, getting the whoopie pies all frosted. And then all you have to do is just stick them together, and believe it or not, you are done. You have a bunch of delicious whoopie pies. They are so moist. They're a wonderful pumpkin cake, very autumnal, great for a party, great for a family reunion, Thanksgiving, etc. Please enjoy, and happy baking. Thank you all.